guys, it's Sariea. Welcome back to my channel and happy Galentines Day! Today is February 13th when this is posting, and it is official Galentine's Day. Thank you Leslie Nope and Ann Perkins for deeming this an official day. So today's video is a swap. It was organized by my best friend Erika over at Erika DeOcampo. She invited several of us to take part in a Galentine's Day / Manentines Day box swap. So basically we were given, this is also a challenge video, so we were given a $20 limit, meaning we had to do less than $20 because the goal of this was to make it kind of like when you're in elementary school or middle school or high school even and you didn't have very much money and you wanted to do something special for your girlfriend or your boyfriend or your pal or your bestie or whoever. Labels are not important. We wanted to do something special for them for Valentine's Day, and let's face it, we were probably on a budget. We were given a $20 challenge limit, and I will tell you guys, I stuck to my limit. I'm pretty happy with my box, and the whole goal of it was just to kind of bring that like Valentine's Day like feeling in the box. And I will say mine's very cheesy and corny, and that's what I think the goal of this is just that cliche Valentine's Day-ness. So I probably cut all of it out so the video is not 20 minutes long, but I just sat here for a solid like 3.5 minutes trying to say all the channel names. And it's not that many channels, it's more so just I'm apparently super tongue-tied right now, so I'm gonna have all the channels participated listed in the description box below. Enunciate, Sariea, you're a theater teacher for God's sake. So here is my box. It is way cuter on the front, but I do have my address and I'm pretty sure her address is on here too, so I'm not going to show you guys that side. But she did, let me see if I can peel one off because these are the cutest freaking stickers ever. I can't get it off. They're like Valentine's Day, but it's like little sloths and, oh, I can show you on this side. It's like little owls and sloths and flowers and just all the Valentine's Day goodness. I'm gonna cut the box open and not talk so you don't have to hear that. I should have opened the whole thing. Let me show you the reality. So it's Happy Valentine's Day. Could I look stupider doing this? Sariea, and then now you guys can see the stickers, yay, because it's really cute. And then of course it's all pink inside. This is so cute. And cliche Valentine's, I love it so much. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty sure this is Beth. I tried not to look at the address, but Beth has beautiful penmanship, and I'm almost positive this is her. At the Collectionears Club. So happy Galentine's Day, Sariea. And then more stickers. I don't want to tear these. You guys are like breaking me. I used to like not care about ripping tissue, like wrapping paper and tissue paper and stickers and stuff, and now I'm all like, oh, I should save it. Valentine's Day fills the world with warmth, sweetness, and lots of joy. That's so cute. It's like a little polar bear on top of the world holding heart balloons. Oh my gosh. Beth, you have the actual most beautiful handwriting I've ever seen in my life. That's like gorgeous. Come to think of it, so do you. Hope your day is happy. Much love to you, sweet Sariea. XO Beth. I knew it. I knew it was Beth. P.S. Packages are numbered, so please start with number 1. Happy Galentine's Day, Sariea. This felt more like April Fool's Day to me though. I finally draw your name in an exchange, but I could only spend $20 on you. But knowing your love of being frugal, I couldn't imagine sharing my first budget challenge victory with anyone else. Yay, Beth, I'm so proud of you. I'm honestly so glad you got me for this one because I know you stuck to your budget, and I'm really proud of you. Beth is like notorious for like, budget? What's that? She just gets so excited to spoil people. She has the biggest heart, and so anyway, I'm really proud of her because she went against that because she knows it gives me anxiety when people like spend all this money and they break the budget on me. Anyway, I'm really proud of you, Beth. Thank you for sticking to your budget for me. Thank you. Yes, you read that card correctly, my friend. She underlined it. Stuck to the budget. Yay! Despite the small budget, everything was selected with much love, and I truly hope you like everything. I'm sure I will. I think you know how much I adore you, but I wanted to take this opportunity to tell you how special you are. You are one of the most talented crafters I know, and for you to take the time to share those talents via YouTube, despite being an amazing mother and teacher full-time, is nothing short of remarkable. Beth always makes people cry. She's got such a way with words. Oh my gosh. Okay. Not to mention you being such a relatable, funny, and devoted friend to all of us in this community. Thank you for being so wonderful in agreeing to collaborate with me all those months ago. Little did I know what a lovely friend I'd gain in the process. Love you. So Beth and me did collab over a year ago. Actually, I made these ears in that collab. We did a Cinderella collab, and she was just getting her channel started. I'd been up for maybe a few months, and she reached out to me and asked, and I was like, yeah, of course. And we've been friends ever since. So Beth, thank you for reaching out to me, because I also gained a wonderful friend from that. I'm so excited to open this because Beth does know me very, very well. As you guys could tell, she was able to like make me tear up just with her words. I'm already, oh my god, Beth, you have a gift, I swear. Like, okay, I'm gonna start, and I'm not going to cry. So tons of pink tissue paper. Okay. She put Chris Pratt on all of my presents. Oh my god, I'm dying. Okay, she did number everything, but I'm gonna show you all of the packaging because oh my gosh. So it's like, Beth always like knocks it out of the park with packaging, but she did put Chris Pratt on there. So we're saving the galaxy again, Valentine. That's so funny. Okay, so number one. Oh my god, he's so cute! She got me a little genie plushie. Oh my god, I love him so much. You guys know I'm not a big like plushie person, but there are certain characters that you can get me anything of and I'm down. Like I plushie pin whatever it is. He is so cute. Oh my gosh. I don't know what these are called. They are like Funko brand, super cute plushies. That's what they're called. Well, he is, that's accurate. He's super soft too. Okay, Genie is my favorite character of all time, and Beth knows that. Oh my god, you're too cute. Thank you so much, Beth. He's adorable, and I actually think I might have just gotten the first plushie ever that my children might not steal. We'll see. Okay, so this doesn't have a number on it, and it is see-through, but it is literally like all the candies that I love. It is Reese's. I love Reese's anything. I'm gonna try not to crinkle this. She got me sour worms, which I love, and Snickers. Girl, yes. I don't know, I feel like this is out of budget though, because like name brand candy is expensive. Cannot wait to chow down on this later and hide this because, again, I have kids. I mean, one of them doesn't eat candy, but whatever. Okay, so 2 and 3. So number 2 is this one. This is the cutest wrapping paper. It's like shimmery or shiny, and it's got hearts all over it, and it's, oh my god. This is exactly what this swap was for, like that Valentine's Day feeling. What is this? I'm hoping this is a, like, so for those of you guys who don't know, I love getting DIY things because I love things that are like custom made for me. It makes me feel special. Is this a painting? Okay. Can you even right now? Okay, the reason that I'm like tearing up is because, one, sorry Jeannie, you're gonna have to scoot over. Up, I love Up. It's one of those movies where like, I couldn't call it a desert island movie because it like emotionally shakes me every time I watch it. But it is one of my favorite Disney movies of all time. I think that Carl and Ellie are the actual best couple. Not just Disney, like the best couple ever. And my bedroom is actually, has been redecorated Up themed. I don't think those tutorials are going to be up yet, but if they are, you're kind of seeing that. And you guys know I love home decor, and she made me this. This is cardboard. She cut out the house and then painted it to look like the Up house. She wrote Our Greatest Adventure. She did the balloons and little colorful pom-poms, and the part that made me start tearing up is that she wrote Derek and Sariea on the mailbox. On the back, she did write me a note, and as if I could ever forget that this was from her, but she said, Happy Valentine's Day, sweet Sariea, with love, Beth XOXO, 12, 13, 20s. She literally even wrote the date. Oh my god, Beth has a gift for making people cry. This is beautiful. This tugs at my heartstrings more than anything I could have expected, and for a $20 limit, holy cow. Beth, when is your Etsy shop opening? Please let us know in the description box below. This is absolutely stunning. I don't want to put it there because I don't want it to tip over, but I also really want it to be... Sorry, Ron. You're not important right now. Beth, thank you so much. That is beautiful. It's going to look stunning in my bedroom. I cannot wait to display it in there. And you guys know a lot of the times when I open gifts, my first thought is like, oh, this could go in my daughter's room. Oh, it could go in my other daughter's room. So this is like me. Like you picked the thing that you knew would get me in the heart, because it's me and my husband. And you guys know when you have kids, it's like it kind of all becomes about the kids for a while, which is great. And you want to enjoy that. But it's nice to have those little moments when it's about you and your spouse. And I think that that's what that is. So, Beth, thank you so much. You're so talented. You're over here telling me I'm talented. Oh my gosh. And the last gift is number 3 with Chris Pratt on the video. Honestly, I literally could stop here. Like the genie plushie and that. Honestly, I mean, she just sent me that. I would have been like, holy moly. Obviously, this is... Okay, it's a necklace. It is a, oh my god, okay, Beth. It's a gold necklace with a C and a D on it, because my daughter's names are Kala and Dalen. I love little tiny dainty jewelry, and honestly guys, this could probably be a bracelet too. Like I could triple wrap it or double wrap it to wear it as a bracelet. I honestly might do that, because this is, how did you stay in your limit? Explain that to me. Because I feel like there's no way that you got these 3 things. I mean, you made that, but still, like the supplies. I'm gonna need to see some receipts, Beth. I'm gonna need to see some receipts from you. Beth, thank you so much. You gave me such heartfelt and loving and personal items, and you really... Girl, you don't need to break the budget. You did all this for 20 bucks. You got me like crying over here. Stop breaking budgets. You obviously don't need to. You're really good at this. I don't know. I'm sorry I got so emotional, guys. I literally, I can't. Like, the little mailbox got me, and then my girls' names, like my girls' initials on the necklace. I can't. Anyway, Beth, thank you again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to go check out all the other videos in this. Head over to Beth's channel next, and then just work your way around till you find who I got. And then if that's not the last video, then keep going. Because you definitely want to see more Valentine's Day goodness. I should say Galentines, Manentines goodness, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. I do regular Disney content on my channel, and obviously that interests you a little bit, right? Bye guys.